Have you been wanting to start a YouTube channel but always scared of what people are going to say, or not getting support from your friends and families, or you're not sure if you're going to succeed in this course of being a YouTuber? Well, darling, after this video, you will know what is right for you. Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again. If you're new to this family, you're welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Thumbs up this video and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. So have you been wanting to start your own YouTube channel but you don't know how to go about it, or you're just scared of what people are going to say, or not being able to grow up the time you want to? Well, let me say this, I have been there years back, and look at me today with over 2,000 subscribers, because I never gave up. I didn't listen to what my head was telling me or what people were going to say. Now this is what I am here today, and that is why I've decided to share with you guys the right ways you can actually start your own YouTube channel in 2021. So if you're still scared of starting, don't be scared anymore, because after this video you will know that yes, it is time for you to start, and you need to start today. So the first thing you must know if you want to have a successful YouTube channel in this 2021 is to understand how YouTube works before coming to the platform. Now this was the mistake I made 2 years ago, not understanding how YouTube works. I just wanted to start my own YouTube channel and then be sharing with people, and that was why I was stagnant for 2 years, nothing to show off YouTube. It was last year 2020 I finally hit the algorithm, when I finally understand how YouTube works. Now you're coming out here for the first time, you want to make sure that you understand how YouTube actually works. Now what I mean by understanding how YouTube actually works before coming to the platform is understanding that YouTube is a search engine. Understand the most important thing on YouTube, which is the algorithm. You don't want to just come to the platform and then start sharing random videos or anything that comes to your mind. YouTube will accept those videos from you, but the problem is you will not be able to grow your YouTube channel if you want to be dropping any random videos out there. But once you understand how YouTube works, that it is a search engine, what that means is making searchable topics and understanding the algorithm, because the YouTube of 2 years ago, 5 years ago is not the same YouTube now. The platform has become tighter. Now it is hard for every small YouTubers to actually grow on the platform. The algorithm has been made tighter, so you want to understand how YouTube works before you just move into the platform, before you start making your videos. Take a week, even if it's 4 days, 5 days, any day of the week, go on YouTube and start watching YouTube growth videos. Once you've been able to watch all of this, understand how the algorithm works, you can even start today, and next week your videos will be picked up. You will even grow better than the person who started years ago, because it's not about who started first or who started last. It's about understanding how the YouTube algorithm works, which is how the YouTube platform actually works. If you have knowledge of this before coming into the YouTube platform, you will be able to do better than someone who started years ago. I'm gonna link my YouTube tips playlist on the iCard, so you can go watch all of that. Just binge watch it to understand how the YouTube algorithm actually works before coming to the platform, because you don't want to be surprised, darling. Now my second tips, if you want to start a YouTube channel in this year 2021, is do not make money your number one reason of starting YouTube, but make it something that you want to enjoy and just keep creating good contents. I know that you are there, you want to make money, I want to make money, we all want to make money, but you don't want to make this your number one focus of coming to YouTube, because if you make this your number one reason of starting YouTube, you will not be able to grow, because YouTube takes a whole lot of time to actually grow, especially meeting that requirement of getting the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to actually meet the monetization requirements. So make it something you want to just enjoy, make it something you're passionate about, make it something that you want to be creating contents for, because if you love what you're doing, this will help you grow faster. This will help you be successful once you start your own YouTube channel. Now again, do not make money the number one reason why you want to start, because it takes time to start making money on YouTube, and it will only become faster if you're doing it for the love of it. Because once you begin to see that, oh, the money is not coming after at least a year, you will give up. It took me 2.5 years to start making money from YouTube. So if you're thinking coming in today you start making money, YouTube doesn't work that way, darling. So my third tip, if you want to start YouTube in this year 2021, is to know why you want to start a YouTube channel and have video ideas ready. So think of why you want to start your own YouTube channel. Are you starting to be making lifestyle contents, or are you starting to just share your everyday life as a vegan, as a student, as a mother, or whatever it is that is in your mind? So you want to decide before coming to the platform, because once you come to the platform not having like a direction of what you want to do, YouTube is broad. It will give you different branches, and once you're just in the middle, you don't know where you want to be, you will lose focusness. You will give up on the industry. So what I'm going to tell you is decide, think about it, ask yourself, why am I coming to YouTube? What am I going to be giving to people that are going to follow me, my subscribers? So once you have decided on those things, you've concluded and be like, oh, this is the reason I'm coming to YouTube, because this again will help you stay on the platform longer. So decide on why you want to start your own YouTube channel. So once you decide on the type of contents that you'll be making that wants to make you start your own YouTube channel, now the next thing you want to do is to prepare video ideas for this area. Now there's a lot of ways to get video ideas. I'm going to be putting a video on the iCards that will help you find video ideas, and also I'm going to be sharing video ideas in the coming days, or you can just go on YouTube and search up video ideas on your particular niche and you will see so many. At least prepare up to 30 to 50 video ideas ready before you come to the YouTube platform. Now the fourth thing I want to talk about is just start. Do not worry about the equipment. Do not worry about buying the best camera or having the best editing app or stuff like that. Do not worry. Your first videos will not be your best videos. It is like that. It is a process. When I started years ago, like my old videos are way not how I look right now. People are even asking me now, what camera am I using? What software am I using? But nothing like that. The only thing I use is just my iPhone 11 Pro Max and the ring light in my phone. That's what I film with, and then I edit the video. So this is what you want to do. Do not worry about the equipment. Do not worry about having the best background or the best look or the best filming equipment to actually start. Just start. If you have your phone, just start with your phone. If you can get a ring light at the start, then always film your videos during the day and sit close to a window. This is what I did when I newly started, sitting close to the window, and yet people were subscribing to me, people were still supporting, people were still watching my videos. So this is what you want to do. Just start. Do not worry about having the best professional video looks. Just start. Now the fifth thing I want to talk about is to actually think of your name. So once you've been able to follow all the 40s I've talked about, now you want to think of your YouTube name. One thing I want to say, do not make your name too complicated for your subscribers, because I've seen some people on YouTube calling themselves, let me just say, they will say their name, they will put dot, they will say their name, they will put commas, they will put plus and all of this. Such names are too complicated. Now the reason why I said it is that sometimes I will see videos on my YouTube homepage. Now, if I want to go back to that video, if I didn't watch it that moment, I will start thinking, what was the name of that YouTube channel again? If I don't remember it, that channel has eventually lost a potential subscriber and the watch time or views or likes. So don't make your name too complicated. Make it a name that will fit your brand, that will fit your look, that once people say it, they'll be like, yes, that person is name. That name really fits you. So make it look like that. Make it that way. And the number 5 thing you want to do is to think of the type of YouTube channel that you actually need, because there are 2 types of YouTube channel. We have the brand YouTube channel and the personal YouTube channel. So for the personal YouTube channel, you'll be the only one who will be able to control your YouTube channel. So you'll be the owner of it. Nobody can actually make changes or do anything to it. But if you're using the brand YouTube account, this type, other people can actually edit and make changes to the YouTube channel. channel. Like, you're not the only one in control of the settings and the privacy. Other people can actually do this. Now that is a brand YouTube channel, so you want to decide on the one that you want. So number 7 is to actually create your YouTube channel. So I'm not going to just go step by step on how you're going to create it, because I already have a video on that which I'm going to leave on the iCards. If you don't know how to create a YouTube channel like from scratch, like creating your Gmail and all of that, so I will leave that video on the iCards and go watch that video. But what you will need is a Gmail and your name, which we've already talked about. So just go ahead and create your YouTube channel. Now before I move forward, I just want to say congratulations for actually making the first step of creating your own YouTube channel. Now the 8th thing that you want to do, which is very important, especially if you're just coming to the YouTube platform, and that is fill up your description box. Now I know a lot of people never do this. I know a lot of people don't even know what this is. Trust me, so many people don't even know this exists. But I'm going to show you guys what you need to do and where you're going to do this. So just open your YouTube channel, but go to the Chrome version of your YouTube channel to actually do this. So once you are on your channel dashboard, you want to just scroll down to the part that has the settings and then click on it. So once you're there, you're going to see the part that says channel. Just click on that channel. And then you're going to scroll down a bit. You're going to see the part that says keywords. Now what this is the keywords of what your YouTube channel is about. So if you are a lifestyle YouTube channel talking about vegan foods, so you want to just fill that part with everything about vegans. Just put it there. Now these keywords are things that once people are searching for a particular word on YouTube and that word is in your keywords, your YouTube channel will also be recommended. So just make sure that you fill this up. Once you're done filling it up, just click on the save button. Now that's another thing you want to do. This is very, very important. I know a lot of people don't know this. Now that you know, just fill it up instantly. Now the number 9, which is very, very important, is installing a keyword research tool. Now I wish I knew about this particular thing I'm talking about right now on YouTube. I would have grown better than I am right now. You want to make sure that you have a keyword research tool. Now the one I'm using is TubeBuddy, but there are other ones out there like vidIQ and many others. You want to make sure you actually install TubeBuddy. This will actually help you with keyword research, like finding the right tags for your YouTube channel, and help you with SEO, which I actually talked about at the beginning, and that is search engine optimization. So you want to make sure that you actually install TubeBuddy. I have a video which I have made concerning how to install TubeBuddy and use TubeBuddy. I'm going to leave those videos on the iCards and on the description box, so make sure that you go watch those videos. So the 10th thing you need to do is to actually film your first video and upload it. So I've already said all you need to do ever since. Make sure you actually use the keyword research to help you research on the best keywords for your first video and what that title is about. So once you've done that, just go ahead, film your first video, upload it. Don't worry if you don't get the amount of views you'll be expecting. Just go ahead, film it and then upload it. And this will take me to my 11 tips, and that is promote yourself. You are new to the YouTube platform. If you are favored enough, your first video might just get picked up or not, but we never can tell. But what you need to do is to promote yourself, and that means that first video that you've uploaded, take the link and begin to share it with your friends, your families, your loved ones. If you're on social media, share it over there. Put the links on the description box of your social media accounts and just leave them over there. Tell people I have a YouTube channel, subscribe, come watch my first video, I've started my YouTube channel, come and support me, and all of that. Just tell your friends, but do not involve in stuff for stuff, because that's what help you grow, trust me. Anyways, promote yourself, promote your first video. This is one way to actually just get yourself out there. But I have a video I've made on how to properly promote yourself if you're new to the YouTube platform. I'm just going to leave that video on the iCards again and leave it on the description box. Go watch all of these videos to actually grow yourself on YouTube. Now my 12th tip, which is also my last tip, is do not give up. YouTube actually takes time. Obviously it takes time, but if you're lucky enough, it might be quicker than you expected. And the lucky I mean here is doing the right keyword research, optimizing your videos properly, and just hacking the algorithm. So if you're able to do all of this, you will be able to grow faster than you will ever expected. So that is it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just want to say congratulations for starting your YouTube channel, and make sure you go watch my YouTube tip playlist, which will give you more tips and more details on how you can actually grow your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe, please do that right now. Thumbs up this video and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you all, and bye.